Welcome YouTube. We're going to fix the 12 volt accessory outlet in a Volvo C70, which also works for a C30 and a couple other models, but we're going to change the fuse out inside the compartment. So the fuse box for that accessory is found inside the vehicle underneath the glove box. What we're going to do is grab the tool from the engine compartment fuse box. So you'll find that right here, and we'll open that up. I want to be careful not to break the cover and gently take that off. Then inside here, I'm going to turn this over, and there'll be a fuse puller. Take this clip, push that a little bit. Easier with two hands. Now we have a fuse puller right here. Inside there, you're going to find a 15 amp. I'm going to grab that one right here. Now we're under the glove box, and we're going to remove the upholstery. So everyone has one of these in their glove box, and if not, you should have one always to check your tire pressure. So you can use the end of this to push the pin in on the upholstery to allow you to bring this upholstery down and access the fuse box. Now there's two metal, plastic tabs here and here, and we want to turn them. Well, if you're upside down, it would be counterclockwise until they drop, and then this one counterclockwise, and then the fuse panel will come down like so. Move the upholstery out of the way, and in here you see all the fuses, and they all have different numbered positions. So the 12 volt accessory is the third from the left in the back. So first row, third from the left. So we're going to use our puller and pull that out, and then just replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching my video, and hope you subscribe. Have a great day.